The ultimate experience for Breakdance is to go pro, giving you so many features that's going to make your website creation process just a pleasure to work with, from WooCommerce, blogging, excellent form building, pop-ups, and quality site and page building. Hi, I'm JB. This is Websites for Beginners, and welcome to our video document series on Learn Breakdance for WordPress. Apart from the series, you can also learn more from our complete courses for Breakdance, taking you from a beginner to a master of multi-page sites, blogging, and WooCommerce. Link in the description. For most page builders on the market to work, you install first the free version of the plugin, and then the second one you install is the pro version, but not for Breakdance. For Breakdance, you only install one plugin once, and then you either add your free license or your pro license. And the plugin stays the same, but the license will determine which version you are using. I have my WordPress installation. To get Breakdance Pro, head on over to Breakdance and select Get Breakdance. A number of choices for you here. This is the free version. You get Pro, that is a one website per year at $100, but if you are doing two or more, you'll probably go for the Pro Unlimited. One more offer here is the Pro Plus AI bundle that runs every now and again if you need that AI extension. Choose the package that suits you best, complete your purchase, and once you've done that, head on over to your dashboard, select Downloads, and you will see now that the Pro version appears here with the free one if you had previously signed up for the free version. As I mentioned earlier, you will see that the Pro and the free one are both currently at 2.6.1. This will always be the case. It will be the same plugin. With Pro, you can also test beta releases currently at 2.7. Go ahead and select Breakdance Pro. Before we do that, just note, if you would like to use a previous version, you go to Previous Versions, select the version you would like to download, and then go ahead and download it. In our case, we download the latest. Once downloaded, go to WordPress, Plugins, Add Plugin, Upload Plugin, and choose Breakdance. Install now, and we go through the regular process of installing and activating. Activate plugin, and we're set. From your dashboard, get the license key and add it here. On successful activation, you will see the green notification bar, but most importantly, under Product, you will see Breakdance Pro. And now we're ready to go and start working with Breakdance. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io, and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.